let's take one more example. Suppose this is the input array, okay, and we need to convert this to a min heap. Okay, so this is the input array and we need to convert it to a min heap. So the step one was to represent it in a form of tree, in a form of complete binary tree. Okay, so 35, 33, 42, 10, 14, 19, 27, 44, 26, and this is 31. Now after constructing this tree from the array, from the given array, the next step is to find the last non-leaf node. Okay, so the last non-leaf node is, the formula is n minus 2 by 2. So this is the formula for finding the last non-leaf node. Okay, so the value of n is what? The value of n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 minus 2, 8 by 2, and it's 4. So on index 4, we will be having the last non-leaf node. So this is index 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 14 is the last non-leaf node. Okay, so by looking at the tree, we came to know that 14 is the last non-leaf node. So after finding the last non-leaf node, we will be performing heapify operation from 14 to the root node, that is from 14 to 35. So first step, we will be performing the min heapify operation at 14, then 10, then 42, 33, 35. Okay, so min-heapify operation is used to restore the property of the heap. Either it can be the max heap. So if it's the case of max heap, we will be performing max heapify, and if it's the case of min heap, we will be performing min heapify. So now we will be performing min heapify on node having value 14. So if we are currently at 14, we will be comparing 14 with the left child value and the right child value, and after that we will be moving in a smaller direction. So on comparing 14 with 31, 14 is the smaller. Okay, 14 is the smallest value, so therefore no swapping operation will be done. So after performing min heapify on node 14, the tree which we will be getting is the same tree. Okay, or the array will be the same array, because ultimately we are converting the array to a min heap, which is also represented using the array. Okay, so we have performed heapify on node 14. Now after that we will be performing min heapify on node 10. Okay, so in a spiral form we are going to perform heapify on all the nodes. Now we need to compare 10 with the left child value and the right child value and need to move in a smaller direction. So basically on comparing 10 with 44 and 26, 10 is the smallest value. So no swap operation will be performed in this case. So it will remain as it is. Okay, it will remain as it is. So again the same tree will be forming on performing heapify on node 10. So now the next node is node 42. Okay, so we will be comparing 42 with the left child value and the right child value, and we are going to move in a smaller direction. So now in this we find that 19 is the smallest. Okay, and like in the left child the value is 19 and it's the smallest, so we'll be swapping 42 and 19. So on performing heapify on node 42, 19 will be swapped with 42 and we will be having this tree. Okay, now the next node on which we want to perform min heapify is 33. So we need to compare 33 with the left child value and the right child value, and if the smallest is from the left child and the right child, we will be moving in the smaller direction. So we know that on comparing 33 with 10 and 14, 10 is the smallest. So we will be moving in this direction. So we are going to swap 33 with 10. So on swapping 33 with 10, this will change to 10 and this one will be 33. Okay, this one will be 33. Now again we will be comparing 33 with 44 and 26, and we know 26 is the smallest. So 26 will be swapped with 33. Okay, so basically if we are comparing the values like the root value, the left child value and the right child value, if the smallest we got from the left child and the right child, in that case we will be moving in that direction. Okay, so after performing heapify on node 33, we will be having modified tree. So 10 will be over here, 19 will be over here, 42, 27, this one will be 26, 14, 44, 33, and this will be 31. Now we have performed heapify on 33. Next is on the root node we need to perform. So we will be performing heapify on this node. So heapify is generally done on that node which is violating the whole heap. Its left subtree is the heap, its right subtree is the main heap, but that node is violating the whole heap. Okay, so we will compare 35 with 10 and 19. So the smallest value is out of the left child and the right child. So we will be moving in the left child direction because 10 is the smallest. Okay, so we will swap 10 with 35. On swapping 10 with 35, 10 will be the root and 35 will be in this node. Now we need to compare 35 with 26 and 14. Okay, we need to compare 35 with 26 and 14. So 14 is the smallest and therefore we need to swap 35 with 14 and need to move in the smaller direction. So now 14 will be over here and 35 will be over here. Now again we are on node having value 35. We will be comparing with the left child value which is 31 and there is no right child value. So in that case on comparing 35 with 31, 31 is the smallest. Therefore there will be a swap operation between 35 and 31. So 31 will be over here and 35 will be in this position. So the final tree which we will be having is 10 on the top, then 14, 19, 26, 31, 44, 33 and 35. So on converting this to a array, like 10 will be the first value, then 14, then 19, 26, 31. Over here there is 42 and 27, 42, 27, 44, 33 and 35. So this is the output array. So input array was this and our task was to convert this input array to the min heap array. Like this is the array which is min heap version of this input array. Okay, so the important thing is finding the last non-leaf node and performing min heapify operation from that last leaf node to the root node. And if the smallest value is from the left child and the right child, then in that case we need to move in the smaller direction till the end. Okay, till the end we need to move to the smaller direction. So this is all about build heap.